Hi, this is Steve with Decware. Uh, Decware used to be a rather well-kept secret. A factory direct word-of-mouth business started in the 90s. Our customers were primarily experienced tube aficionados who had years of experience, and like many audiophiles, they hunt for something better all the time. I was one myself, so I know. At that time, I couldn't afford the kind of amplifiers I knew I had to have to get the sound I desperately wanted. None of us could. So we found old console hi-fi units discarded on the curb on garbage day, stripped the tube amp from it, and then tried to get it to work. Then we tried to get it to work better. And eventually, I had something that I knew was good, and my journey would have ended right there, except that every time someone else heard it, their reaction was always unexpectedly high. Truth is, I had no idea how good it was because I had nothing to compare it to. So I made it my mission to start listening to other amplifiers in my room, which I did. Some I had a love-hate relationship with, some I just didn't like. But during those years of comparisons, my personal amp, which was 2 watts, was consistently better. And that includes all my other amps that I built, but were push-pull with 10 to 20 times the power. So I eventually realized, as my understanding and knowledge continued to evolve, that the amp was likely unbeatable for any sane amount of money, so I decided to find out. I built 12 of the amps, all duplicates of my own, to see if it could be a viable product. Well, that was in 1998, and it killed the internet, tiny as the internet was back then. Today, 27 years later, and many thousands of these amps in service, we still make it and have over 2,000 people on a nearly 3-year waiting list. And it has been done without advertising, without investors, and without dealers. What drove this to happen is 100% the sound of these unique amplifiers, coupled with a lifetime warranty and the knowledge that they are lovingly hand-wired point to point here in the USA. During COVID-19, the cat got out of the bag about Deckware when everyone was trapped indoors with nothing to do. That shifted our customers from a bunch of gearheads who were into tubes to a large number of audiophiles switching to tubes for the first time and choosing to take that plunge with Deckware. We're used to having our customers feel like extended family. Especially for those new to Deckware, it's my hope to have several chats like this to make you feel more at home. Happy listening and have a great day.